Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into PayPal. Before starting our video, I would like to request you to subscribe if you haven't yet and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. PayPal is an American company operating an online payment system. In the majority of countries that support online money transfers and services as an electronic alternative to traditional papers like checks and money orders. To log into PayPal, go to your web browser on your computer and type in www.paypal.com, hit the enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, and you'll be taken to PayPal's official website. To sign up for PayPal, simply click on Sign Up located in the upper right corner. Now to log into PayPal, click on the Login button right beside the Sign Up button. You'll need to finish a security challenge. Before that, click on Another Robot. On the next space, enter your email address or your mobile number. After you enter your username or your phone number, click on the next row and enter your password. If you don't remember your password, then click on Having Trouble Signing In or Logging In and follow the instructions to retrieve it back. After you're done, simply click on the Login button and you'll be logged into PayPal easily and quickly in no time. That is how you can do it. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.